during the day when I would start to feel anxious and nervous, instead of feeling anxious and nervous, I would go onto my prayer mat and I'd start talking to my Lord. At night, when I'd be tossing and turning, feeling like restless and feeling scared, instead of just tossing and turning, I'd wake up, I'd go into my prayer mat and I would talk to my Lord. And somehow my heart would start to feel at peace. It was as if every time I went onto my prayer mat, all of my problems would go away. It was as if I could taste a sweetness. And something else incredible happened. Allah, our Lord, He answered my prayers. 3 months came and passed. My mom lived. 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. My mom had all these dreams in her life. For example, to see me, her baby boy. Look at this photo. I used to look so young and handsome, mashallah. And look at me now. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, my mom saw me get married. She wanted to go to Umrah. My mom got an opportunity to go to Umrah. She wanted to see my older brother Muhammad get married. She saw them get married. And the truth is, it was because of these secrets of Salah that changed my life forever.